after conducting our research, we found out that most students find it difficult to adjust to the new way of attending lectures, which is the virtual way. And also, at the end of every semester, there are students who complain of their grades being missing. We also found out that students find it difficult to get access to lecture materials, and then most students don't have like a student companion to help them and guide them in their studies. So we are developing this app to give a user-friendly system that will enhance learning and also help lecturers assess students, keep a continuous assessment of their grades, so that at the end of every semester, they'll just have to add the exams and then they are good to go. So the key objective is to foster a sense of community and healthy competition among students through features like the leaderboard and interactive quizzes, which will give students a daily learning progress of every student in, let's say, their department or their class. So you know that there's someone leading the leaderboard and the person is ahead like a lecture or 2 lectures ahead of everyone. So implement analytic tools to track user engagement, identify learning trends, and gather feedback. Develop a system that allows students to customize their learning path, just as I said. So you're able to customize your learning path. It's like a student companion. It guides you on what to learn, and then it gives a notification when you're not learning. It gives you a notification that a lot of people are actually ahead of you. Also, it gives lectures the platform to actually assess their students through quizzes and then tests, and then it keeps their grades for them. They wouldn't have to go to look for old grades. And then anytime that a student take a quiz, automatically the system will actually record your grade. So no grades goes missing. When we move to the user story, a student can actually log in by, firstly, you have to create an account. So when you create an account, we get access to the system gets access to your personalized course information and features. So anytime you log in, it sends you to your courses. You can actually take your quizzes, you can check your leaderboard, and also you can check your performance. It also gives a faculty member, such as a lecturer, give the lecturer the platform to actually access to them and give them course materials also. Also, as an administrator, you are able to use the system to manage accounts and permissions to ensure secure access to the app and its features. With the product backlog, we have the user authentication, the course listing, the course details, quizzes and assessments, gradebook, leaderboard. The leaderboard is actually the value proposition of this app because unlike other apps, it gives you the learning progress of others, not the exact detail, but it gives you a fair idea that maybe the other students are a lecture or 2 lectures ahead of you, other students are taking extra quizzes, other students are learning harder, so that you also have to improve on yourself. Also, the key features are the key features of the application are the user authentication and profiles, secure login and sign up functionalities, user profiles, course management, a comprehensive list of available courses, notification system. So let's move to the UML of the project. So firstly, for you to be able to use the mobile app, you need to first sign up. After signing up, it takes your details. Now we'll use that details to sign in. Anytime you sign in, it first goes ahead to verify your account. If you have an account with the app, then you can view your course list, you can view your course details, you can view your materials of course, also you can view your FAQs. And also, when a lecturer signs in, it takes the lecturer or the staff sign, take the lecturer to the staff through the same process. And also you can request for a password change in case that you've forgotten your password. you can simply request for a password change so that your password will be changed for you. You can also change your details. Let's say you want to change your password, you want to change any details of yours, you can usually go back and change your details. So we'll move to the Figma. We'll move to the Figma. With the Figma, we are going to show the prototype. So let's play the prototype. So first of all, as a user, before you get access to the system, you need to go through the sign-in process. You provide every details needed, such as your name, your password, and it will be stored in the database so that anytime you want to get access to the system again, it goes back to those things and shows like what you need to get access to. So this is how the app literally works. You first need to register. So take your details and then you register. After registering, it gives you a pop-up message that says, yeah, you are successfully done with the registration. Now you have to go to the next. Then it welcomes you. Have to put in your program, your faculty, your level, your courses, so that anytime you want to get access to the app, is not going to take you back that you are always asking for your program. So you can easily get access to it. So you can see that each time you log out and then you log in, it won't take you back to it. It brings you straight to your courses. So with your courses, you can go home and then you see every courses that you've registered for. You can actually go to the grade book and you know every grade you have for the course. You can also go to your lecture videos, then you get access to your lecture videos. You can go to reading material, then you get access to every reading material for that particular course. Then with your test and quizzes and the past questions. So with the test and quizzes, you actually go and then you get access to your test and then your quizzes. So finally, we'll go to the leaderboard. So with the So this is actually courses that you are a member of. It displays every course that you are a member of. Then if you go home, you can actually go to, there's a calendar here. So there's actually a calendar that displays what you've actually scheduled for the day. There's a calendar that displays what you've actually scheduled for the day. Also, there's a leaderboard. Okay, so when you want to update your details, you can actually come here and then you update your details. And so you have pop-up messages and notification of upcoming courses. And then there's the leaderboard. The leaderboard is the business specialization. So yeah, that's all for it. So thank you.